To embroider Sienese stitch, start with a straight stitch. Then, take your needle back to the surface and lace the thread around the base stitch you made. Pass the needle from left to right and above the working thread. Then push your needle back to the surface, finishing the stitch. The stitch will look like a letter K or X. It will depend on the tension of the thread. To make lacing easier, use the back side of the needle. You can change the size and the angle of the stitches. To embroider Sienese stitch band, mark 2 parallel lines and make the row of Sienese stitches between these 2 lines. When stitched in rows, on the backside Sienese stitch will look like 2 lines of the running stitch. And if used as filling, it will produce a lot of jumping threads on the back.